Tire is able to open and import several file types. So you can open any file that already exists or that you've got from a friend or that you found on the internet or wherever you got it from. Just select the File menu and then open. To open any itinerary file. Here you can see that several file types can be opened, and here's the nice thing, Tire will convert them automatically to the proper format. Most files, most itinerary files can be opened this way. There are some exceptions. One of them is the Garmin file type GDB, Garmin database. You cannot open such a file. You'll have to import it like this. Select Import from the File menu and then select the file that you want to import. Too difficult? Well, just minimize the Tire main screen to the taskbar and you will see that a special drag and drop window will appear. You can use this drag and drop window to open or import any itinerary file. Just get it from your computer, from your desktop or any other place, drag it to the window, drop it there, and you will see that Tire will open or import the itinerary. Now there are two ways to handle this itinerary. You can copy it to your device right away with this button, Copy to TomTom. Or if you have a Garmin device connected, the button will say Copy to Garmin. Or you can use the menu to do it, TomTom or Garmin if you have a Garmin device connected. Open the menu and select Copy to your device. You don't have to bother about the right format. The TomTom format is different from the Garmin format, but Tire will handle all this. Of course, it's also possible, and that's the other way, to save a file on your computer. This is how it's done. From the File menu, select Save As. Find a proper location on your computer. Enter a name or accept this name and click OK to save the file. There is something special that you should realize on opening Garmin files, and I will show you what it is. I minimize the Tire main window to the taskbar and I open this Garmin file, GPX. The same happens, by the way, if you import a Garmin GDB file. Drop it here, it will be opened, and as you can see, you can select which points you want to import. Waypoints, route points, or route tracks. All are available from a Garmin file. Well, if it contains route points, I recommend that you select that one, because route points are the points that are created to make the itinerary. If you have a file that does not contain those route points, I suggest to open the route tracks. You will see a lot of waypoints after opening the file, but they are in the proper order at least. That's not the case, or not necessarily the case, if you use waypoints, because Garmin waypoints are not really waypoints. They are more a kind of favorites. So they might be in the wrong order, or there might be some waypoints that do not belong to the trip. So use this order. Route points, if they are available, then route tracks, and your last option is waypoints. In this case, route points are available, and I click OK. And my file will become visible on my screen.